Welcome to today's quick guide on ensuring Facebook videos start with sound, updated for the latest app layouts. If you've ever opened a video only to be greeted by silence, this step-by-step routine will fix that and keep your viewing experience smooth and immersive. First, grab your phone and open the Facebook app. You'll land on your feed, where videos often start muted by default to be considerate in public spaces. To flip that behavior, you'll adjust a global setting that applies across the app. Next, look to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines. This menu holds the core settings and preferences that control how Facebook behaves on your device. It's the gateway to customizing your video playback, notifications, and more. From the menu, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. This is where Facebook centralizes controls for your account, privacy, and media behavior. It's worth taking a moment to familiarize yourself with these sections, as they can significantly change how you interact with content. Now, locate the Preferences section and tap on Media. This subsection is all about how Facebook handles media playback. Here you'll find options that determine whether sounds accompany videos automatically and how media loads when you're scrolling. Look for the Sounds toggle and switch it on. Enabling sounds tells Facebook to start video playback with audio by default, so you won't miss the spoken language, music cues, or important dialogue as you browse. If you ever want to revert, you can come back and toggle it off. With sounds enabled, you'll notice a more engaging video experience right from the moment a clip appears on your screen. It's especially handy for short videos, live clips, and stories where audio context adds clarity and emotion. If you want to fine-tune further, consider reviewing additional media settings such as autoplay preferences or data saving modes. Small tweaks here can enhance buffering, battery life, and overall performance. That's all there is to it. By adjusting the sound setting in media, Facebook videos will greet you with audio as soon as they start, making your scrolling sessions a lot more dynamic and informative.